There you go. Remember, these puppies are 4 weeks old. They're clueless. There's his shoulders. Right there. Come on up. Unless you guys all wonder why or how I'm doing this, I have a mirror behind the camera. And so I can see what I'm doing. Since I'm doing this by myself, as usual. Come on, here we go. Come on. There you go. Up. Oh, good boy. There you go. He's a little longer than some of the puppies right now. He's also the biggest puppy. Come on, up. There. All right. Let's show him your pretty head. There you go. Pretty head. There you go. Put your feet down. There we go. There you go. Oh, good boy. Okay, next victim.